Alright, so EMF chiropractor. Okay.
Elite musculoskeletal functioning.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. So not MY Fitness.
Yep. Okay.
Cool.
Alright guys, I'm looking at getting myself straightened up, so if you guys are around in Browns Plains, EMF chiropractic, and your doctor,
Matt.
Dr. Matt.
Please come in and see us.
Yep.
We'll sort you out. No worries.
Straight down.
Face down. Just gonna have a look. Okay, have your arms up here, up here, up here. No. Arm rest up here. Yep. Starting with the sacrum. So I'm shaking the floor. Wait. Balance is actually pretty stuck here. So right sacrum. Left L5.
The back's very tight. It's huddled up.
Thoracolumbar. That's actually rotated. Okay. So I'm going to have to do that supine. Right. So what I'm going to do, just going to take a little breath in. Breathe all the way out. Let it go. Perfect. Breath in. Breathe all the way out. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Good. Pressure okay? Yep. Much better. Lung this side, we can get that L5. This? Yep. Oops. Yep. Take you off the shoulder. Yep. You're going to hold on to your elbows. Bend the top leg. Good. Straighten the bottom one. Awesome. I'm just going to bring this hips out. Breathe in. Breathe all the way out. Breathe all the way out. Breathe out, breathe out. Breathe in again. All the way out. There we go. There it is. Back facing up.
That one.
Yep. Back facing up.
Yep.
Shoulder up. So that's holding on to the top of your table.
Yep.
Yeah, just holding on there. Good.
Yep.
Always riding your hips. Just riding the ankles. Are you stretching? Doing any foam rolling?
No.
Knee. You gotta do some foam rolling, or other than you gotta do some Pilates or the yoga.
Oh.
I don't know when you train legs, but that's
Oh
that's
my
all.
God.
That's all tender. You gotta do some foam rolling for that. Cool. Just flex your arms. We're gonna do your thoracolumbar now.
Yep.
Give yourself a big hug. Take a breath in. Good. Go all the way up. Good. Breathe out. Breathe out. There we go. One more breath in. Breathe all the way up. Good. Ready. One more. A little bit further up. Breath in. Breathe all the way up. There it is.
Woo. That first one really cracked. Oh.
Just gonna roll the table, head take it. Just flex your head, relax your head. There we go. Yeah. How's your sleep? Are you sleeping alright?
Okay. But yeah, I felt some tension down the back. I had a headache the other day, mate.
Yeah?
It went for 2 days.
Just drinking up water? Or you feel it's coming from your neck?
Probably from the neck.
The headache feel anything like this? Or like that?
Like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Subcogenic headache.
I took Panadol for it, so.
Should have come see me sooner.
I missed when you came over.
Oh, you're working.
Yeah.
Big ones, this is your seal of So you put C1, 2, C2 on the left. Breathe in. Breathe all the way up. And then deep press your front ribs. Have your palms open up. Okay, just relaxing there. Breath in again. Breathe all the way up. And then deep press your front ribs. Top ribs. There we go. Breathe in. Breathe all the way up. Let the weight of your head fall backwards to land. It's good for your head. There it is. One more. All the way up. Alright. Sitting up. 3, 2, 1. Legs the other way. The other way. Oh, the other one. Yep. How's your benching?
Yeah, it's okay.
Bend, 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 bend. Yep. Go forward, look straight ahead. Go bring your elbows forward. So in front of you, yep, just relaxing there. Just relax that.
Lost a lot of strength.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bring your elbows forward, same thing. Straight ahead. Let the elbow drop.
Yeah, lost a lot of strength. It's
With
training at the other gym.
which other one? Oh, your friends.
Yeah. No strength, mate. Because the highest weight was about 60 or 70 kilos.
Yeah, you got to roll out your quads.
I did legs last week, so.
Okay. Yeah, you got to warm up. Too easy. Alright, well done.
Thank you.
No worries.